Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to deal with conversion of temperature, that is from one scale to another scale. That is, for example, we have to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit or in Kelvin. So how we will do this? So let's look. We have a simple formula regarding this, that is degree Celsius minus 0 divided by 100 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180, and it is equal to degree Kelvin minus 273 divided by 100. This is the formula we have. Look at here, degree Celsius minus 0. 0 is the freezing point of water. 100 is the number of parts in Celsius scale. 100 is the number of parts in Celsius scale. Similarly, degree Fahrenheit minus 32. 32 is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale divided by 180. 180 is the number of parts Fahrenheit scale have, is equal to degree Kelvin minus 273 divided by 100. 273 is the freezing point of water in Kelvin scale and 100 are the parts of Kelvin scale. Okay, now suppose we have an example, we have a question that convert 100 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit and degree Kelvin. Okay, we have to convert 100 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit and degree Kelvin. Okay, so first of all, the solution. We have given degree Celsius is equal to 100. So to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit, we will use these two equations. This first one, degree Celsius minus 0.100 equal to dVF minus 2.1 okay. So we will use like this, degree Celsius minus 0 upon 100 is equal to degree F minus 32 divided by 180. Okay. Now degree Celsius is given to be 100 degree. Okay. So 100 minus 0 divided by 100 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180. 100 minus 0 is 100. 100 upon 100 is always equal to 1. So 1 equal to degree F minus 32 divided by 180. So cross multiplying it, you will get 180 is equal to degree F minus 32. So degree F is equal to, this minus 32 will go this side, it will become 180 plus 32. So degree F is equal to 212. Okay. So when you convert 100 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, you will get the value 212 on the Fahrenheit scale. Now, second part. Now we have to convert 100 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So we have this formula, degree Celsius minus 0 divided by 100 is equal to degree Kelvin minus 273 divided by 100. This we have. We can cancel this 100 by this 100. Okay, so it will become degree Celsius is equal to degree Kelvin minus 273. Okay, we have given degree Celsius to be 100. 100 it was already given. 100 is equal to degree Kelvin minus 273. So from here you will get degree Kelvin is equal to 100 plus 273. So degree Kelvin will be equal to 373. Okay, now you can convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. You have to just use this formula. If you are given degree Kelvin, you can, from degree Kelvin you can find degree F and degree C. Okay, if you have degree F given, you can find it degree Celsius and degree Kelvin from this. Okay, so thank you.